We're sharing another home we love in Tuscany because so many of our new members are looking for homes in this region. Also, this house is being sold fully furnished, is in very good condition, and has one of the most stunning view terraces we've seen in a while at this price point. It's on the market for a pretty incredible €65,000. The interior looks a little plain, but wait until the end to see the location and the view. According to the realtor, it's in a hillside village only 5 kilometers from the charming medieval village of Bagnone. There are 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and 90 square meters of living space over 4 floors. The bedroom on the second floor opens onto the spacious panoramic terrace, which overlooks the Appennine mountains. There is also a storage cellar, and it's possible to park the car in a small piazza, which is very close to the house. This is a great example of the types of homes we share with our members every week. While it might need some decorating touches, this beautiful property is turnkey, so you can move in and start enjoying Tuscany and Italy without having to worry about renovations or repairs, all for well under €100,000. Please find a link to the realtor's original listing and contact details in the video notes below if you have any questions or would like to move forward on this property.